Hello my phonics superstars and welcome to day 13 of my Phonics Boost. Well done for sticking with it. I'm so proud that you are here. Hopefully you are seeing an improvement in your phonics skills already and we've still got a lot more to learn. So let's get those phonics brains switched on, those superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Let's remind ourselves of our focus sounds. We've got k, k, e, b, a. Now, I want to hear you joining in. K, k, e, b, a. Excellent. Now it's going to be just your turn. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Do you think you can go even faster? You ready? Oh, that was very fast. Well done. Let's have a little recap of these sounds. Are you ready? Excellent. I know you can do these ones faster. Amazing. Let me see if I can put them all together. Do you think you can remember them all? Amazing. And of course, we're not going to forget these ones. Nice and quick, just you. Amazing. Now, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the E sound. Now, the E sound is a short sound. E, E, E. Let's practice. E, E, E. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the E sound. Let's find some objects that start with the E sound. Right, my phonics superheroes. Inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the E sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are you ready? Oh, not again. My box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? We say hocus pocus phonics focus. I want to hear you saying it with me. Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. Phew! Right, let's see. So I'm going to show you the object. I want you to tell me yes if it starts with the E sound or no if it doesn't. Are you ready? Egg, yes. Carrot, no. Elephant, yes. Butterfly, no. Elf, yes. Well done. Right, now we've sorted the objects out, I'm going to put them all back in the box and I think you can do it a bit quicker. What do you think? So remember, yes if it starts with the E sound, no if it doesn't. Are you ready? Oh, that was super speedy. Well done you. Right, now it's time to focus on our listening skills and practice our oral blending. Right, make sure your superhero listening ears are turned on. Now with our oral blending, I sound out the word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? O, E, G. Leg. P, E, T. Pet. B, bed. Oh, amazing. Now we're going to move on to reading some of our words. Right, my reading superstars, we're going to practice reading some words that use the E sound. I'm going to sound them out first, and then I want you to have a go. G. Leg. Your turn. Leg. P-E-T. Pet. Your turn. Pet. B-E-D. Bed. Your turn. Bed. Excellent. Now we've done them once. It's just going to be you. Leg. Pet. Bed. Excellent. Are you feeling up for a challenge? Do you think you can do our challenge word? Are we ready? Our challenge word today is extend. Now, if you extend something, you make it longer. Okay, my turn first. Extend. Extend. Your turn. Extend. Well done. I think you can do it again. Extend. Excellent. Now it's time to rewind and look at some words that we've been doing over the last couple of days. Right. Just you sounding these out. Kit. Kip. Excellent. Now we've looked at this word a couple of times, so I'm going to see if you can just read it straight away. Are you ready? Cat. Now let's sound it out. Cat. Excellent. Time to move on for our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is my. 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 Excellent. Let's see if you can remember some of the tricky words that we've already looked at. All. Me. Was. Now, if you weren't sure, I'm going to go over them. All. Me. Was. Excellent. Let's put our new one with those. Can we remember it? My. Right. Your turn. All. Me. Was. My. Excellent. Well done. So my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, we're nearly at the end of day 13. Amazing. But before we go, we're going to remind ourselves of our focus sounds and play our little game. Now I'm going to go over the sounds first. K, k, e, b, a. And now it's your turn. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Whew, that was fast. Right, so now we're going to play our little game. I'm going to take away a sound and I want you to tell me what it is. Are we ready? Which sound was missing? Excellent, it was one of our k sounds. Let's see, which one am I going to take away now? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Ah, Excellent. Right, which one am I going to take away now? Let's see. I want to take away this one. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Bah! Excellent! And you've done it! That's the end. Well done you. You should be feeling so proud of how hard you've worked, and hopefully you're seeing that boost in your phonics skills. Let's give you a great big pat on the back before you go. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye!